Dholuo for beginners. Nouns and plurals. Part 5. Noun class nde. Ogwal, frog. Ogwal, frog. Ogwende, frogs. Ogwende, frogs. Miel, dance. Miel, dance. Miende, dances. Miende, dances. Thuol, snake. Thuol, snake. Thuonde, snakes. Thuonde, snakes. Kwon, marsh. Kwon, marsh. Kwonde, marsh. Kwonde, marsh. Jachien, devil. Jachien, devil. Jochiende, devils. Jochiende, devils. Rabuon, potato. Rabuon, potato. Rabuonde, potatoes. Rabuonde, potatoes. Then, kitchen stool. Then, kitchen stool. Tende, kitchen stools. Tende, kitchen stools. Pino, wasp. Pino, wasp. Pinde, wasps. Pinde, wasps. Chiel, fence. Chiel, fence. Chiende, fences. Chiende, fences. Sun, plate. Sun, plate. Sande, plates. Sande, plates. Tielo, foot. Tielo, foot. Tiende, feet. Tiende, feet. Tall, string. Tall, string. Tonde, strings. Tonde, strings. Del, body. Del, body. Dende, bodies. Dende, bodies.